It's basically to empower the students. So most of our voters, eligible voters, they are at high school level. And we noted in the 2022 general election that there was a low voter turnout, and majority of which are from our young voters. So what we discussed after the 2022 general election review is to have civic awareness and voter education and voter information. And that's where this concept of SET program came in. This is just to empower them and to give them that civic pride that they have to exercise their right to vote, especially when the Fijian electoral system, it's a voluntary system. So that's basically it, just empowering them and also for them to know the voting process before they enter the general election. Okay, so for the 10 schools, these are the piloted ones. We chose the central division because of the locality, because we are providing our resources. Most of the resources are central based. The review from this pilot program will enable us to fine-tune our processes, and next year it's going to be rolled out to the entire secondary school, as alluded to by our rep from the Ministry of Education, Ms. Prasad.